Welcome to the assembly guide for the Bruno walker, manufactured by Funride. The box includes main body, toy tray, batteries, plastic nut, toy, parental handle, rattles. Take the main body, unfold the walker as shown. Fix the seat as shown. Open the battery cover. Insert the batteries as per polarity. Close the battery cover. Place the tray on the top as shown. Fix the tray using a plastic nut as shown. Press the button to turn on lights and music. Insert the rattles on the top. Insert the toy into the tray. Insert the parental handle on the top as shown. Fix it with a nut. Your baby walker is all set to go.